What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. So today I want to do a walk around video of this Audi S4 that I just wrapped in Vvivid's Gunmetal or Stealth Gunmetal Gray. This is a color fusion paint protection film. It looks phenomenal. This car is a 2019, so it's a little bit older. It's like 6-7 years old. It's seen better days, but overall this thing looks brand new pretty much, other than some minor dents and dings that are still there. But a lot of those can actually be pulled with paintless dent repair. So even if you do wrap over your dents and dings, a lot of times they can be fixed with paintless dent repair afterwards. We're gonna have a full walk around inside and outside of the actual car itself. I'm gonna point out a few things and just give you an idea of what the actual vehicle looks like. And I'll put a picture up there of kind of before and after. I didn't do any close-ups of before, but it'll give you an idea what it looked like. It was white, did not do the door jams, but as you can see, let's just open it up quick. You know, when you open the door up quick and get in, it's not too much of a contrast there. No one's really ever gonna notice, but that's pretty much it. If you guys are looking for more in-depth how to vinyl wrap videos, don't forget to check out my website, ckwraps.com. There's a link in the top corner there. There's an open forum discussion board, first month free as always. Or if you're looking to just stay on YouTube, you can subscribe to my members only section, which gives you, on the premium side, gives you access to a private Discord channel where you can post pictures and ask me questions as well. But if you don't want that, you can also just subscribe to the videos, the exclusive videos that are there. Let's get into this inside and outside. So good to see it inside. Let's take the camera off the tripod and get into it. Now I used a couple of different kinds of wrap on this, and well, 2 different kinds to be specific, so a couple. Let's get into this. So up nice and close, the mirror looks great. Seam on the inside, because this mirror is literally impossible to do with PPF in one piece. Turned out looking super smooth. We've wrapped way deep down in behind the hood, so if I pop the hood up, it's still wrapped all the way down and through. Laid into the recesses, super important, because you cannot stretch the material in here. It will pop out. If you're really thorough with your post heat, you could probably get away with it, but it's a little bit risky. As you can see, we've wrapped in between the door itself, so you can't see any white in here. Same thing in here. This is a super tricky spot to get into, but no white showing in there either. The roof was done in Flexi Shield, and there's gonna be a video before this one. Flexi Shield's gloss pitch black. This is cosmetic paint protection film as well. Look at the clarity of that thing. It is stunning. Looks amazing. This is what you get with all gloss finishes in paint protection film. So this is why people are going to it. And honestly, there's 0 swirl marks, 0 scratches, and all I did was wipe off the slip solution afterwards, which was used to install it. And it can be installed wet or dry, but you get a much better finish and end result with it being installed wet. 0 scratches. Like, I haven't heated this or anything at all. It is just self-healed on its own in the shop, and it's not even that hot in here. Slight bit of damage over here, some stones and whatever else. Not sure how well you can see that. Yeah, you can kind of see that there. There's a little tiny bit of rust coming across the top there. I think that maybe the front window was replaced at some point, because the rubber trim here it was all like pushed down and stuff, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. Antenna looks super good as well. Let's go to the back of the car. Taillights were tinted in Flexi Shield HDL, I believe, years ago. That's paint protection film. They were recently redone, I believe the owner said. Oh yeah, because this one was redone because it was in an accident. So this one, actually, I noticed it now, but I didn't notice it before. It doesn't match just slightly between the two, but it's very close still. We tinted the bottom reflectors in Vvivid Ultimate Dark Smoke Tint. Let's go around the back. That could be changed out very easily. We didn't do anything with that. Obviously, that's like the only silver chrome piece of the car. Fuel door cover, everything else. Chrome delete was done years ago. Stone chip, yeah, it happens. Otherwise, I did the chrome delete actually 6 years ago now. It's been a long time. Again, some dents and dings. I mean, that's what you kind of expect with a car that's 6-7 years old. Overall, it looks pretty good. Don't worry about the cover there. There's a license plate, I don't know, whatever you call it, extender that comes out of there. License plate goes onto it. Front bumper, not the most challenging to wrap, a little bit challenging. Obviously, it requires seams and inlays and stuff, but not the most challenging. And then the front side reflectors were also tinted in Vvivid Ultimates. Fun, challenging piece is that lower trim piece right there. That's probably like one of the more annoying areas to wrap, if anything. But overall, looks really good. Let's get the vehicle outside and show you what it looks like. All right, guys, so we have the car outside. Let's check it out. Bit of a better view, so kind of on the shade side of things. Let's go around, give you a better idea what the color looks like. They need to fix that garage door across from me. It's really bad. All right, go around the back. Back looks tremendously better now that the reflectors on the bottom have been tinted. We've got some in the sun over here, so here we go. There we go. Yeah, look at that sheen. That sheen's really nice. You can really see that gunmetal popping out right now. That's right in the sun. So that sun just hitting down the side of the car. Seeing mostly yellow, I guess, from the sun. Looks really nice. Let's check the roof out actually. So let's not be right in the sun. Let's not face the sun for that one. So I can see the roof a bit better here. Look at the clouds in the sky. Looks like glass. And that's what PPF will get you. This is why I don't really touch vinyl wrap anymore. All right, let's wrap this up. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of the Stealth Gunmetal Gray inside and outside. Gives you a much better idea of what you're looking at getting into if you are looking at this color or finish for your own vehicle. Because a lot of people always ask, why don't you show it outside? Well, we've got a nice sunny day. It's still summertime, not winter yet, and we're going into winter soon. But either way, I wanted to show you both. Stay tuned for more videos. I have a ton more coming. I have a GT, a Nissan GTR. We've got a BMW M4, BMW M3. We've got a Ram 2500 Limited. This is all PPF, all cosmetic PPF stuff. Some color fusion, some flexi shields, just a mix between the two. A couple of Teslas. What else we got? We got a RS5 coming in. Yeah, lots of stuff coming out. So I'm actually booked like almost to Christmas. So I'm booked into December right now. Any of you who I might see at SEMA, I'll see you there. But anyway, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching as always. I appreciate it. Take care.